If you're anything like me, you want a garden that thrives, but without reaching for harsh chemicals every time something unwanted shows up. I've learned that simple, natural solutions can be just as effective and much kinder to your soil and your space. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my own natural weed killer. It's simple and affordable.
Today we have a fun project. We're going to make a natural weed killer. I don't like the idea of using the typical chemical-filled ones, like Roundup and those other dangerous ones. I prefer to make my own. And I have been making this one for quite some time, and I said, you know what? It's time to share this with my bloomers. So here I have a gallon of white vinegar. So you just need 1 gallon of white vinegar, 1 ounce of dish soap, your favorite dish soap, and a cup of salt. Any kind of salt will do. I just grabbed one, and this is it. So now we're just going to mix this all together. I am going to pour the vinegar in a gallon bottle. I'm just going to pour some of it to begin with. I'm going to add the soap, and this could be any kind of dish soap. Doesn't have to be any special kind. There we go. And for the salt, I'm going to use a funnel so that I don't have any spillage. So I'm pouring 1 cup of salt into this. There you have it, that one in easy. Okay, I'm going to shake this around for a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to pour the remainder of the vinegar in this. And I'm also going to let it sit for a minute before I use it. There we go. So it's getting quite sudsy already. The best thing is to use natural products because I grow herbs. I grow a lot of herbs. And also just to minimize the use of chemicals. I just don't like the idea of using chemicals for anything. I'm just getting the rest of the dishwashing liquid that was in here. All right, it's kind of already full. I'll let that settle for a minute until most of the suds have gone down, and then I'll add the rest of vinegar to it because I want to get the whole thing inside of it. So once again, it's an easy recipe. A cup of salt, any kind of salt, a gallon of white vinegar, and 1 ounce of your favorite dishwashing liquid. Blend that together, put it in your spraying bottle for, spraying weeds, and you're ready to go. All right. So now, bloomers, after I have let it sit for a few minutes, it's ready to be poured into my spray bottle, and it could just be any kind. They have them at the big box stores. So here we go. Gonna pour it into my bottle for easy distribution on those weeds, those annoying weeds. And you can use this as much as possible anywhere, on any type of plants, your foods, anything, without the worry of the chemicals and being harmed if you walk barefooted on your grass in your yard like I do sometimes. You lock that up. And away you go with your spraying project. Very easy and very cost effective too, not expensive. Vinegars are quite inexpensive. A gallon bottle of vinegar is quite inexpensive. And also salt, just regular salt, and a spray bottle. This might be the only thing that you might pay a little more for, depending on the kind that you use. They have all different price ranges. I prefer to just buy a really good one that will last me for some time, because I have been buying the really cheap ones and then I get 2 uses out of them and I have to go and get another one. So I just went and got me a better one this time. So there you have it, an easy mix for natural weed killer. Alrighty.
If you enjoy simple, practical ways to care for your garden, go ahead and subscribe. I share new videos regularly.